In this problem, we are given key features and we are asked to use those key features to see which of the following statements are true. We have the y-intercept, the range, and the increasing interval. Since I have the range and the increasing interval, I'm thinking I'll start in vertex form. When I have the range is y is greater than or equal to -10, that tells me the k value of my vertex is -10 and that my parabola opens up since my y values are all greater than or equal to -10. The increasing interval also tells me the h of my vertex. So I know h must be 1, and it makes sense that it's increasing greater than that because that would be on the right side. So again, that verifies that my parabola should open up. So I now have my vertex at 1, -10. So if I started to build my vertex equation, y equals a times x minus 1 squared minus 10, I know it has to take that form, and I know a must be positive. Let's take a look at our choices. Here it says the vertex is the minimum. Well, that seems good. Located at -1, -10. That is not the case. That is bad. It is located at 1, -10. So this is not a true statement. I'm given an equation in standard form. I can see that this c value is -7, so my y-intercept is 0, -7. So that could potentially be true. I'm not really sure. I haven't really decided on that one yet. A step in completing the square would be, oh goodness, well, I don't have my equation yet. So it suggests y equals 3 times x plus 1 squared minus 10 in our last choice. I know that that is not true because it's x minus 1. So this is the issue right here. So that's definitely not true. So looks like I need to figure out standard form and how to complete the square on this one. So I need to find my a. How can I find a? I haven't used this 0, -7 in my vertex form yet, and I can use that as an xy ordered pair. So I'm going to take that y value of -7 and substitute it in, take the x value of 0 and substitute that in. Now I can solve for a. So that's going to be -1 squared, which is just 1. So this becomes a minus 10. Add 10, and we get a is equal to 3. So my vertex form is y equals 3 times x minus 1 squared minus 10. So we have our vertex form equation. We could then use Desmos to see if this was equivalent, or I could go vertex to standard by hand. Either one. It looks like the a value is 3, so that's good. Let me go ahead and multiply this out, and we'll check to see if that is our correct standard. So that'd be 3x minus 3 times x minus 1 minus 10, which that's going to be 3x squared minus 3x minus 3x plus 3 minus 10. That does equal 3x squared minus 6x minus 7. So this is a true statement. So it says a step in completing the square would be to do 3 times x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 7 minus 3. Let's see if that's actually equivalent to our vertex form. If I rewrote this, that would be 3 times x minus 1 squared. And then if I combine this, that would be minus 10. And that's a match. So this would be a step in completing the square.